Number 9. The Hamilton Beach Electric Tea Kettle is a reliable and efficient addition to any kitchen. With its sleek stainless steel design and compact dimensions of 9.2 L into 9.2 W into 8.8 H, this kettle is both stylish and space-saving. One of the standout features of this electric kettle is its boil-dry protection and automatic shutoff, providing peace of mind and safety while in use. The cordless design adds convenience, allowing for easy pouring and movement around the kitchen. This kettle is ideal for various heating and boiling purposes, catering to a wide range of needs in the kitchen. With a weight of just 2.2 pounds, it is both lightweight and practical for everyday use. With a high customer rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars from over 18,000 reviews, the Hamilton Beach Electric Tea Kettle has proven its quality and reliability. It is also ranked as the #11 best seller in electric kettles, a testament to its popularity and performance in the market.